In the fruiting season, hundreds of piraputanga fish gather beneath these trees. But the piraputanga want more than the monkey's leftovers. The brightly coloured fruits are clearly visible even to the fish in the water below. And some manage to claim them even before a monkey does. This isn't a skill mastered by just one particularly successful acrobatic fish. Many of the piraputanga can do this. Nor is this a disaster for the tree. Far from it. These piraputanga are migratory, heading many miles upriver to spawn. The trees, by enticing the fish to eat their fruits, have a perfect means of transport for their seeds. With luck, the seeds will be deposited many miles upstream.